front of me is DOOGEE Fire 7, and today I would like to show you how you can turn on or turn off location. Begin by going into Tab menu. To do that, swipe down from the top right corner of your screen. Then look for location shortcut, which is this one, and when you find it, click on it. As you can see, mine turned gray, which means that location is off. To turn it on, click on the same one until it's blue. If you have a bit more time though, you can also go into settings, scroll all the way down to click on the location section available here, and manage it thanks to this switcher next to use location. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!